Some AI trends are kind of lame, but turning your Instagram DMs into a song, well, now that's iconic. All you need to do is log into kapwing.com and then you can create songs from text messages. Literally in under 2 minutes. You can use unfiltered WhatsApp conversations, creepy Instagram DMs, or a collection of tweets. So let's make some bangers. First up, head to kapwing.com/Kai. This opens Kapwing's AI generator, and it can create images, videos, and of course, songs. If you can't find it, just look for the light bulb icon wherever you are in the studio, and once you've opened Kapwing AI, you'll be greeted with this empty text box. This is basically a blank canvas for creating a song. Start by describing the song you want to create. The more specific, the better. In this example, you'll see I specifically asked for a UK drill song as the music genre. I also used the term high energy because, well, hey, that's how I like my UK drill songs. Whether you want a country ballad, 90s hip hop, or maybe a little Latin American Bad Bunny style, type whatever it is you want to generate in the prompt box. I also told the AI that I wanted a strong male lead voice. From there, you're going to type use the below as song lyrics. Now, copy and paste the text you want to be converted into a song. In this example, you'll see I've added a load of comments from Kapwing's reviews page. And if you have a screenshot from a conversation and you can't be bothered to type it out, well, there is a quick hack. Upload the screenshot to Kapwing, and in the same prompt box, ask the AI to extract the text from the screenshot, just like I'm doing here. Okay, so once you've added your lyrics, there is one more very important step. From our testing, we found the AI model Minimax 2.6 works best. So click the AI models button down here and select Minimax 2.6 under audio. There's dozens of AI models built into it like Cdance and Kling, but trust me, this is the AI model that works best for songs. And now all you have to do is click generate and you will have your song in a couple of minutes.
Awesome. 4 stars. Wonderful, excellent at 5 stars. Just amazing. Too amazing, it's spectacular.
Now before you jump off this video and go try it, here are 5 quick tips I want to share with you. Tip number 1, short sentence structures work best. The first tip is to try to make a song out of short sentences. That is why text conversations and random messages work best. It's easier for the AI to adjust the timings and make a song that feels authentic with short sentences. So try to avoid long, waffling paragraphs. Tip 2, think about the order of your text. Just like any good song with rhyming schemes, hooks, and choruses, the order of the lyrics is going to matter to your song massively. I just took a bunch of random Kapwing review comments, so I ordered them in a way that I thought would be good for a song. Rather than just dumping them in, I structured the sentence with very demure and very brat placed together on purpose. But if you're super lazy, you can always just add a little bit more detail to your prompt, like order around the lyrics so that they match the rhythm of the song. Whatever works for you. Tip 3, type out emojis and reactions. The AI is not going to understand an emoji in your prompt. So if you're trying to get the lyrics to be like laughing face or eggplant emoji or anything, you're gonna need to type that out. Tip 4, keep the song under 30 seconds. This is super important. I mean, for starters, nobody wants to hear your full 3-minute songs, especially if this is for posting on social media. Secondly, the longer the song, the more credits it's going to use. All you really need is a 10 to 30 second song, and that is why short conversations work best. Now, what would make all of this even better is if you could pair this song with a music video. In the same editor, you can take that song and make a music video for it. Now, for most people, that's going to be timing the screenshots of the messages with the song. That is super easy, just follow this process. Click Edit on your song and it will move into Kapwing's full timeline editor. Next, you can select the aspect ratio, vertical for TikTok and Instagram, or horizontal for YouTube. Just use the Resize Project button on the right. And after that, click the Media button to upload your screenshots or any other images or videos you want to use. Simply drag and drop them into your timeline, and now you can rearrange the screenshots however you want. Just click clips, drag them around, trim them, split them using the right-click tool. There's also a transition tab available over here, and you can add a range of different transitions like drop-downs, flickers, burns. You can control the timings of the transitions too. As you'll see from the end of my video, you can also add custom subtitles. I've selected this multicolored highlight option so it looks in sync with the song. Finish up by adding logos or watermarks as I've done here, and that is everything.
Awesome. 4 stars. Wonderful, excellent at 5 stars. Just amazing. Too amazing, it's spectacular. So much nice. 5 stars, I like it. 3 stars. Very brat, very demure, very convenient for a middle-aged technology user. 5 stars. I am surprised at the quality of the videos created by Kapwing. It's too bad I'm struggling financially, or I would buy a membership. Sad smiley face, 5 stars.
All these tools are super simple to use and anyone can use them. So let's do a quick recap. Open Kapwing, describe the genre you want, then add your text, click generate, and from there, click edit and turn your song into a video. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.